How to fix Grindr app with a banned account. So it's technically not something you should be fixing unless you think you were banned, let's say accidentally, or you didn't actually do any violations. Now, the first thing you can do is to make sure that is the case. You can go to your Grindr app, go ahead and find Safety and Privacy Center. This is where you will be able to see the community guidelines. So read the official policy page to understand what may have triggered the restriction. This does help avoid repeating the same issue after recovery. But other than that, you can submit an account approval or an account appeal. So to do that, go ahead into your settings, then scroll down until you find the support, which is right below feature request. Inside support, you're gonna go ahead to your preferred browser, but should be automatic. You can go ahead and choose this, which is need help managing your account, or the my issue is not listed here. But as long as you go ahead and fill in these details, your email address for the account, the subject, let's say you want to be unbanned. What you need help with, this is optional. Let's say something else. Your profile ID, this is optional. Your location, and then you tell them what is happening, and you could try saying you were banned even though you didn't do any violations. So you could go ahead and add files, attachments, or screenshots of the message of you getting banned, and then you go ahead and submit. So most appeals does take anywhere from a few hours to several days depending on the case. So you're gonna have to wait for Grindr support response. But that is pretty much one of the only things you can do if this is happening. So hopefully this helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.